Synergy Controller Application Note 58. Wet bulb, dry bulb, humidity measurements. This is Sasha Borax for Title Engineering Corporation. Title Engineering Synergy Micro and Synergy Nano controllers provide state-of-the-art usability and connectivity for environmental test control and data acquisition. They combine the functions of a chamber controller and a data logger and are designed to improve test efficiency by supporting both factory automation and test and measurement protocols and standards. The calculation of relative humidity using a wet bulb and a dry bulb thermometer involves the science of psychrometrics. Both Synergy controllers can use a wet bulb and a dry bulb temperature sensor to measure relative humidity as an alternative to an electronic RH sensor. The wet bulb dry bulb is one of the Synergy controller's virtual sensors where one or more real sensors is processed through an algorithm to produce a calculated process measurement. To make these measurements, a wet bulb sensor infers the amount of moisture in the air when the evaporation from a moist cloth wick placed over the sensor lowers its temperature reading. When the air surrounding the wet bulb sensor is dry, evaporation of moisture from the wick is faster than when the air is moist. If the air is saturated, no evaporation from the wick occurs and the temperature of the wet bulb sensor is the same as the temperature of the dry bulb sensor. To provide the greatest accuracy, the Synergy controller's wet bulb sensor requires moderate airflow. Airflow of 700 feet per minute will provide good accuracy. In addition, the temperature sensor should be shielded from radiant heat. Errors up to 15% can occur if the air movement is too slow or if there is too much heat radiation. The Synergy controller provides a pressure or torr calibration field to compensate for ambient pressure at the measurement site. This improves the accuracy of measurement. Setup includes 3 simple steps. Select the wet bulb sensor ID, select the dry bulb sensor ID, and assign the virtual wet bulb dry bulb sensor to the humidity channel. First, I click on the calibration folder in the setup screen. I then scroll down to the wet bulb dry bulb folder to select the wet bulb sensor ID. Click the Change button, select the RTD2 sensor in the sensor list, and press Accept. Next, I select the dry bulb sensor ID and click Change. I select the RTD1 sensor in the sensor list and click Accept. Last, I scroll up to the humidity channel, calibration channel 2, and assign the virtual wet bulb dry bulb sensor to the humidity channel. I click Change and select the wet bulb sensor in the Virtuals module, and click Accept. This concludes today's demonstration of the Synergy controller's wet bulb dry bulb humidity measurements. I explained the wet bulb dry bulb virtual sensor's capability. I configured my Synergy Nano using 2 temperature sensors and demonstrated wet bulb dry bulb setup. If you have any questions or interest in more Synergy controller application notes, videos, technical manuals, and free software and information concerning our Synergy products, please visit our website at www.titleeng.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.